Primetime news this evening. Polio alert. Health officials in Westmoreland explain why they are concerned. Pressure is mounting for the government to take COVID surge in China and the US seriously. And later, tourism stakeholders in Portland lament inadequate promotion for attractions in the parish.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. With a preview of what's coming up in the financial week, here's Javon Keys.
Thank you, Kalisha. Jamaica's economy saw another quarter of growth for the July to September period, according to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica's Stati. Now, I'll tell you by how much and the sector's leading growth later.
Okay, and Jordan Fort is also here to give us a preview of what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, it's a time of year when people are making New Year's resolutions and promises, and a couple of those have been made by the JFF General Secretary. I'll tell you what those are in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And our feedback question this evening. What are your views on the reimposition of mandatory COVID testing for visitors from countries experiencing a surge in cases?
Now share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.